Hi, welcome back to EST Online. Today, we're looking at a very strange verb, hit. Now, usually we don't like this verb. It means violence, it means something bad, but we can use the word hit to describe the action go. A few months ago, I mentioned that after work, I was going to hit the gym. And I guess one of my team members thought that's a nice phrase, and he decided to use it in a different context. He said, "Hey Nick, I'm gonna hit home in a few minutes." So why did one work and one didn't work? This word hit can be used as a meaning of visit or to go for a short period of time. It also usually is only used for things that are fun, exciting, or some kind of sports-related or fun drinking activity. So I can hit the gym for a bit of a workout. I can hit the bar for a little bit of a drink. I can hit the library. That's a fun way to say go study. But I can't really say hit home, because it's not a temporary visit. It's not a short-term visit. It's where we live. So it doesn't work for home, but it does work for the bar, the gym, the library, the beach. Yeah, I'm gonna hit the beach this weekend. So try bringing more variety to your speech patterns, and instead of using the words go and visit, here's a new one, hit. But only use it for fun, short-term visits. Thanks for joining me. See you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe.